First, in Screener, this page connect the hotspot of the panel to download the cache software to this link here. This cache, then connect to the SIM network between the laptop and the panel. Then you can see here, there's the BYOM. Click, and you can turn on the camera and the mic here. They also have the user guidance here. You can look here. Then open the cache software here and find the panel. You see the panel is this one. Here you can see here. Then click. Now you click this panel. Then we can go to meeting softwares, such as Micro Team Instant Meeting. Here in the microphone and cam, you can select BYOM media and BYOM microphone. You see, they use the mic and the camera of the panel.